right, so we just got done filming one of our videos, stuffed mushrooms, so look out for that. And it's about 1:50, so close enough to 2 o'clock, and it's my lunchtime. So for lunch, I usually have a nice big salad. What I like to do is get an organic spring mix like this. It's got so much flavor. It's not just lettuce, which usually is not very nutritionally dense. But here we've got very nice, different colored leaves, and I'm sure they're gonna have a lot more nutrition than just plain old lettuce. So I'm gonna take a couple of big handfuls of that. Okay, looks about good. And I also use little grape tomatoes. These are really good in salads. Just wash them. Just gonna cut them in half. And that actually stretches the tomato. And it's a handful, about 6 or 7 of them is good. Now, if you like onions, you can also put onions in there. For lunch, I usually don't because they're kind of strong and kind of stay away from them. But my favorite, all-time favorite, and I eat every day, this one avocado. It is a staple for my lunch. So I'm just gonna cut that up and throw it in my salad. Oh, what a beautiful avocado. This is so wonderful. I'm gonna keep nice big chunks so that I can actually taste the avocado. That's 1/2. And here is the second half. Now, I'm not big on dressings, especially store-bought dressings, because they tend to have a lot of those oils that are not really good for us. So for me, I like to use extra virgin olive oil. Little drizzle like that. Also gonna put a little pinch of pink Himalayan salt. And I have some cumin powder here. Now, cumin powder adds just about the most amazing flavor to avocados. So I love it in this salad. Just a little bit. And then I have some organic lemon juice, a little drizzle of that to taste. And finally, another one of my staples, hemp hearts. Now this is a lot of protein. You see, serving size is about 3 tablespoons and it's got 10 grams of protein. So this is really, really a good addition. And it's got a really mild flavor, so it's not gonna really change the flavor of your salad, but it does add a nice little crunch, and it tastes really, really good. And that's 3 tablespoons. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give this a toss. And feel free to add any veggies that you like. A lot of people like radishes. If I have radishes on hand, I do add those as well. But you can add celery, you can add whatever you like in here. Basically cater it to your taste. And finally, I love cheese, so that's definitely one of the things that goes in every one of my salads. And I change up the cheeses depending on what I'm feeling that day, but this time I happen to have some Queso Fresco, and it's like a nice Mexican cheese. It's kind of crumbly, so just about an ounce or so of that, and I just crumble it right on top. It has a nice salty flavor. It's really delicious. If you can't find this, goat cheese works really well, or sometimes if I have like pepper jack cheese, I'll just slice it up really thin and kind of add it in there. And that's it. That's my power-packed lunch. It is super, super filling. Once I eat this, I'm good for the next like 4 or 5 hours. I don't even think about food because it's just so, so satisfying. So I'm gonna enjoy this, and I will see you in a little bit.